Timing and sunflowers are closely linked in nature and in human health. Here's a clear explanation. How time affects the sunflower and why it matters to a healthy life. The dance of time, heliotropism. Sunflowers' Helianthus annuus are known for their daily rhythm called heliotropism, the movement of the flower head following the sun's path from east to west during the day, then returning eastward at night. This motion is controlled by the plant's internal biological clock, or circadian rhythm, which keeps the plant in sync with the sun. Growth and energy efficiency. By turning toward the sun throughout the day, young sunflowers maximize photosynthesis, absorbing more sunlight to produce energy for growth. This precise timing helps the plant develop strong stems, vibrant leaves, and healthy seeds. When they mature, sunflowers settle facing east to attract pollinators more effectively, timing their warmth and scent release to match the activity of bees. Lessons for human health. Sunflowers teach an important lesson. Timing and rhythm are key to healthy living. Just as the sunflower depends on the sun's cycle, humans depend on day-night timing to regulate sleep, hormones, and metabolism. Maintaining a consistent routine, waking up and sleeping with the sun, supports mental clarity, digestion, and energy balance. The symbol of natural balance. The sunflower's timed movements show the harmony between life and light. It reminds us that living in tune with nature's timing, eating, resting, and working in sync with daylight, nurtures both physical and emotional well-being. In short, the sunflower's timing is nature's clock, a reminder that balance, rhythm, and light are essential not only for plant life, but for our own healthy living. In Part 2, we are going to discuss the medical benefits of the sunflower. Become the first person to see the video by turning on the notification icon and subscribe to our channel.